Hi, this is Caroline from WDBNK. Two things that go really well together are strawberries and stinging nettles. And today we are having an ice cream. So for this we cook the strawberries with a bit of coconut oil. If you cook strawberries, they will be sweeter as if you don't. I put in some maple syrup and vanilla and lemon juice. In the blender, put 2 cans of coconut milk. Add your strawberries. If you blend it, don't blend it too much because we want to keep a bit of chunks from the strawberry. And if you're lucky, you have a nice ice cream machine. I've got this 20 years ago from my grandmother. And if not, that's not a problem. Just put it overnight in the freezer and then blend it again. Keep that much now in the blender, and I mix it with some stinging nettles. Well, I blended a small strainer full of stinging nettles, and I will add it to the ice cream.